Now here is the Ivar. Here is the Ivar one, which is already rigged up with their pump set. Again, it's got this same adjustment on the thermostatic with its temperature range starting off down at 25 degrees. File goes in the end on this one. Same, measuring the flow temperature going into the system. So the water is being pumped up here, round, down through the underfloor, coming back up through, back into there and back down the return to the boiler, or being mixed to go back around the system again. Depends on what this chap is setting, how the setting is working within the system. Okay. This one again, it's got 3/4 connections, not 1 inch like the Watts one. So in theory, the Watts pump set should be able to take slightly heavier load, heating load, than what this or the Reliance do. But I know this one goes quite high. As I say, again, this has a Eurocone fitting. This is a 2419, which will not fit it. In the beginning, I mentioned about the centers of the barrel.
Yeah.
This is 200 millimeters. The Reliance pump set, the Watts pump sets, they are 210. And so is the Amity, which we'll do in a minute. Now then, basically, if you fit a larger pump set, it is doing this on there. If you're an experienced plumber, you'll overcome the problem. If you're a DIYer, you'll have a problem. And that's the situation. Because it's 10 millimeter, but that 10 millimeter can be taken up within these nuts, an adjustment. Yeah. But considering the way we're selling, it's best to sell them a compatible 210 for 210 manifold.
Yeah.
And 200 mil. So in other words, if you look at it, when you're selling an Ivar manifold or a Komfort manifold, you really want to be using the Ivar pump set.
Makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.